Magic Mason Jar Sealer. Keep food fresh with just one click. Perfect for wide and regular mouth mason jars. Meet the game-changing electric mason jar vacuum sealer that lets you seal your jars with a single click. No muscle required. Designed to fit both wide and regular mouth jars, this sealer kit includes everything you need to keep food fresh longer. From soups to snacks, the airtight seal means your food stays flavorful and safe. Say goodbye to stale pantry goods and hello to extended freshness. Imagine a vacuum sealer that doesn't clutter your counter or require endless accessories. Our compact, battery-powered sealer is perfectly portable, so you can vacuum seal anywhere, at home, at a picnic, or even while camping. Unlike bulky vacuum machines, this jar sealer frees up space, fitting neatly in your kitchen drawer and ready to work its magic at a moment's notice. No more struggling with manual pumps or tangled hoses. This electric vacuum pump is as easy as it gets. Just pop on the lid, press down, and hit the button. Let it do the work. In 40 seconds or less, it completely seals your jar, locking out air and preserving freshness. It's designed for convenience, making it ideal for quick, hassle-free storage. Built to last, this high-quality vacuum sealer is crafted from durable ABS materials that stand up to daily use. With a secure, leak-proof seal every time, you'll enjoy peace of mind knowing that your food is safely stored. The kit includes multiple jar lids, so you're always ready to seal, preserve, and enjoy without needing to buy extras. Whether you're meal prepping, preserving, or simply organizing your pantry, this mason jar sealer is an essential tool for modern kitchens. Affordable, intuitive, and highly effective, it delivers premium quality at a price that's worth every penny. With its innovative design and unbeatable convenience, this vacuum sealer makes a fantastic gift for anyone who loves keeping food fresh without the fuss.